Hello guys, nagluto ulit ako. I want to nilagyan niya ng tilapia. I want to luto this meat. Lagyan mo din ng ano. It's funny. Mix. Okay, magkalos later yan na. Takip muna.
1 minute later.
Wala, nahulog. May luto is mabaho na ulit. Bantayan mo kasi. Okay pa guys. Lutuin ko lang. Ito pa siya kasi. Kain naman na yan. Luto na yata yan. Masusunog na yan. Okay. Guys. Yan yung ref. Oh no! I knifed him. Eat it. Ilagay mo dito sa plato. Sino yun? What? I'm vlogging. Who are you? Okay. Alam ko si Mama na. Okay. Hi, Pao. Guys, tignan nyo. Alis ko muna po. Ay, wait nga. Okay na yun. As a refreshing baluso. Mag-cook ka na. Where's the cook, man? Kainin mo na yan. Sabi mo, let's try it. You want the moment of truth. Kainin nyo na.
Hey, balatang nga.
Let me see. Yes! Meron pa pala. Guys, kainin mo na yung liluto mo. Malapit na matapos. Oh.
Guys, you want some?
I don't want.
Okay. Only later, you want this tinapay?
I don't want to. I don't want to.
Ah! Hindi ko na kaya pala. You're watching me.
Ha. Say no watching me. Bye-bye na.
She did. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.